Katharine Juliet Ross is an American film, stage, and television actress. Her accolades include 1 Academy Award nomination, 1 BAFTA Award, and 2 Golden Globe Awards. A native of Los Angeles, Ross spent most of her early life in the San Francisco Bay Area. After attending Santa Rosa Junior College for 1 year, Ross joined the Actors Workshop in San Francisco and began appearing in theatrical productions. Ross made her film debut in the Civil War-themed drama Shenandoah and had supporting parts in the comedies Mr. Budwing and The Singing Nun before being cast in Curtis Harrington's Games, a thriller co-starring James Caan and Simone Signoret. At Signoret's recommendation, Ross was cast as Elaine Robinson in Mike Nichols's comedy drama The Graduate, which saw her receive significant critical acclaim, including an Academy Award nomination for Best Supporting Actress, a BAFTA nomination, and Golden Globe win for New Star of the Year. She garnered further acclaim for her roles in 2 1969 Western films, Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid, and Tell Them Willie Boy Is Here, for both of which she won the BAFTA Award for Best Actress. In the 1970s, Ross had a leading role in the horror film The Stepford Wives, for which she won the Saturn Award for Best Actress and won her second Golden Globe Award for her performance in the drama Voyage of the Damned. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.